It's made from reclaimed wood taken from a barn here in Brooklyn that was built in the 1800s. Hello everyone, and today I'm coming from my kitchen. I have to tackle this floating shelf. I installed this floating shelf about 5 years ago when I had my kitchen renovated, and I totally loved it. It's made from reclaimed wood taken from a barn here in Brooklyn that was built in the 1800s. I actually have it certified, and I will leave a link below as to where you can buy reclaimed wood. Anyway, I cut it down, sanded it, and lightly stained it, and applied polyurethane to it. And I had my contractors install it. If you look at it against the wall here, you can see how it's leaning. The shelf should be up here like this, and instead it's dropped several inches. Today I've decided I'm gonna fix it. So I don't know what I'm dealing with because my contractor installed it, and so I don't know how it was installed, whether anchors were used, what size screws were used. So we're gonna go on this adventure together. So I'm gonna take everything off and we're gonna see what we're working with. Because space is limited, I store most of my tools in plastic waterproof bins on my balcony. I got these bins from Home Depot for about $9.99 a piece, and they're pretty big. I separate them between my tools and my day-to-day screws, bolts, and scrap pieces of wood. The key to DIYing in a small space is keeping all of your items organized. It makes it so much easier to find things when you need them. If you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. With the shelf removed, I can see that hex bolts and standard plastic anchors were used to hold up the shelf. Since the surface of the tiles are uneven, I use wooden shims behind the brackets to add some stability and allow me to tighten the bolt without running the risk of breaking the tile. Using my level, I make sure the bracket is straight and make any necessary adjustments. After making several adjustments and tweaks, I've accepted that this bracket is not exactly 90 degrees, and I'll do my best to get it level. Now that I'm done with this side, I'll follow the exact same steps on the left side. Don't mind the noise in the background. I was running a load of dishes in the dishwasher. Now here goes the moment of truth. Let's see if there's been any improvement. Already the shelf looks so much better. I removed the excess shims and styled my shelf as usual. After recording this video, I decided to take down some of the extra books and stuff. I figured the extra weight was contributing to the sagging of the shelf. Drop a comment below and tell me if this is a project you would try on your own. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share this next video with you. This is the exact moment this shelf was born 5 years ago. This was my very first time ever using a table saw. I was nervous, I was overthinking it, and I had no idea that 5 years later, I'd be teaching others how to maintain what I built that day. We all start somewhere, so if you're nervous about your first project, just keep cutting. I cut a piece of wood!
All right. See, now if someone says something, you're like, yeah, you put that.
I cut this!
Yeah.
Holy hell!
Yeah.
My day.
Okay, cool.
Thanks for watching.